Welcome back to Vilcabamba Real Estate Disclosures. And so here we're going to be looking at Abundant Living Ecuador and one of their retreats. This was about a year ago at Leisha's home site in Naja-Majical. So Carl introduces Leisha as a soil expert, permaculturalist, live blood analyst, and naturopath. Oh look, there's Jiminy. How cute. While there are several open secrets in Vilcabamba, one of the open secrets is that Abundant Living Ecuador has defrauded many expats and Ecuadorians. Leisha would have to have encountered community members who were defrauded. Leisha has to know even some of the 5 current parties who can't sell their land due to liens because Abundant Living Ecuador disinherited the seller's kin or stepchildren. So, as Leisha would know, a lot of these illnesses can be based on person psychology, right? And so here we have this place traumatizing people. So imagine there's a life-changing, or worse, a life-shattering event. So you list your property and you discover a lien. One is not notified when the lien is filed. It's a ticking bomb. These properties, after many years and much development and much love by these owners, are now worth a lot more. And the uninherited will get their full compensation based on current values and possibly an annual percentage cost for every year passing. So we can't mention their names for safety purposes, right, Leisha? And also the criminal defamation laws that could land you in jail for talking about the truth. So Leisha, you know about Abundant Living Ecuador's fraud, right? The incredible financial damage that Abundant Living Ecuador has inflicted on so many. Are you discreetly warning all workshop attendees that they may suffer irreparable harm? I'm sorry, was that a yes or a no? Oh, the irony. Leisha treating people's ills while knowingly engaged with Abundant Living Ecuador who will harm these retreat attendees, requiring Leisha's treatments to recover, perhaps? Oh, that would be a cool natural and organic cycle. So Leisha's paid about $300 to host this group, we're guessing. It's not for free, nor should it be. So Leisha, how does your stated commitment to the community's well-being and your rhetoric about a new sustainable model look like when you're working with an unlicensed, unregistered real estate agency that knowingly has and intends to harm people? You know, in these small one-donkey villages, ethical issues abound, cross-pollination. But tell us, Leisha, did you leave your conscious morals and ethics behind to contribute your wealth of information to these unknowing attendees with prior knowledge about the cyber real estate fraudsters? So in this video, you know, and of course Leisha's coming from the heart, and that's really laugh out loud because Abundant Living Ecuador is a heart-centered organic real estate place, right? So it's all about the heart, but I really think they're heartless is what they should be saying. But anyway, in this village, she tells us about the world, you know, the disconnect, the systems are crumbling, people are in fear, it's a prison, and she even talks about medical and financial fears, which is really ironic because standing right next to her is Carl Marsan, who's involved in one of the largest real estate fraud operations ever, probably, you know, in Vilcabamba. So this would outdo like Marco Leon and even the Canadian that got murdered, right? So Leisha, after 14 years, is marketing an unrealistic reality of Ecuador and Vilcabamba. So we have to ask, is Leisha just delusional or living in some alternate reality? It just sounds super weird. Too many tinctures and storytelling time, perhaps? Leisha's tall tales align directly with Abundant Living Ecuador's marketing propaganda. So Leisha, is that just a coincidence or is this collusion? Carl, did you bring the marshmallows and roasting sticks to make this moment even more mesmerizing as Leisha voices her shtick?
In the last, I'd say, year or so, everything that I thought I was doing has been morphing. More because I felt a real need from my heart to help people get out, so to speak. Stop relying on the systems. The systems are crumbling. The systems, in my opinion, is a prison, has people in fear, whether it's medical, financial, the food systems. And I think we've had a disconnect.
Anyhow, Leisha, is it all about the cash, your marketing blips, and the promise of future patients? We'd like to know.